channel. Hope you all are doing well and awesome. And yes, I'm back with a music video reaction, and I will be reacting for the first time to an all-girls K-pop group. This group is called ITZY or ITZY. I'm just gonna go with ITZY because it sounds more logical to my ears. And the song that I'm gonna be reacting to is Not Shy. Now, I had a couple of song suggestions, but I chose Not Shy because this was their latest comeback song. This released in August 2020, so not very old, and that's why I want to react to this song particularly. And then of course I will be going back to their older videos. So yes, without dealing this any further, let's react to ITZY. Okay, and ooh! Oh, I'm already loving this. Wanted, okay? Leah. Oh, they're saying the names. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's good. I can use this video as a reference. Leah. Wait. Sharyong. I'm really sorry. I mean, I don't mean to pronounce it incorrectly. Please correct me, whatever incorrect pronunciation that I'm doing. Yuna, okay? But this is like a bad girl, badass song. Yeji. I'm already loving this. Wait, what was that name? Ryujin or Yujin? If they are silent, yes. Oh, ITZY! They said ITZY, so it's ITZY. Oh my god, the beat! Oh my god, yes! Oh wait, subtitles. Why do I bloody forget the subtitles always? Oh, wait. Always forget the subtitles. Oh wow!
Cause I'm not shy. Not shy, not me. Not shy, not shy, not me. Give me da 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 da. Not shy.
Oh my god.
Not shy, not shy, not me. 너를 원해 뭐지? Cause I'm not shy.
I love it. I love it, guys. I love it. And I love how this song is about them not being shy and speaking their mind. Really. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yes. When the beat drops, when they start not shy, not shy. Oh wow. Oh wow. I'm loving this. Oh my god. Yes. Now.
말해봐자 어서 다 cause I'm not shy. Not shy.
Yes. Oh my god, yes! I want you, who cares, cause I'm not shy. I love how this song is from the girl's perspective. I love it. I love it.
Yeah, you will like it cause you like it cause you like it like it. 내가 미워 아니라면 미워 다른 건 다 지워 내가 the only one yeah 그냥 싹 지워 싹싹싹싹 Not shy say I want you Hey there hey there 우리는 great pair 네 맘이
Oh my god, yes!
생각이 맞아 그러니까 yeah yeah 내 맘은 내 거
good.
말해봐자 어서 다 cause I'm not shy Not shy not me 넌 잘 모르겠다
Oh wow.
Not me give me da Not shy not me 넌 잘 모르겠다
Oh my god. I'm liking this girl with the short hair. Ryujin or Hyujin? I like her. I'm liking her. I like all of them. My god, the song is amazing. Guys, the song is amazing.
너를 원해 못해 cause I'm not shy 후회하기 싫으니까 엔딩상 없으니까 끄고 모두 쏟아내 No yes no 뭐든지 어때 Yeah 이러면 처음엔 어때 어차피 안 될 거 빼고 다 돼 Let's just be who we are
Let's just be who we are.
Let the beat drop Not shy not me
Wow.
Shy, not shy, not me.
Too good.
Not shy, not me. Give me da. Not shy, not me. Not shy, not me. 너를 원해.
Yes.
I'm not shy, not me.
Oh my god, yes. Absolutely fantastic. Oh, I want to eat that.
I don't give a why.
Is this another song of theirs from this album? Oh my god, I feel hungry now. JYP. Wow, I'm reacting to a lot of JYP groups, I have realized now. Guys, this song is too good. Okay, let's talk about this MV one by one. Number one, these members. Loved them. How amazing their persona and the screen presence of each and every member. I loved it, especially the one with the short hair, Ryujin. Or Yujin, however the name is pronounced. Please let me know. I loved her. She was awesome. And the one with the two ponytails, I forget. Okay. Anyway, I am gonna watch this MV so many times now. I already know it. So by the end of me over watching this MV, I'll learn their names. I'm really glad they gave the names. I'm so happy. That's one. Oh my god, I'm so loud right because I'm so happy. Okay, I'm gonna tone down. Okay, that was first. Second, the entire set of the MV. Did you realize the entire thing? They are driving this car, and it's a car which usually it's a very vintage sort of car. Firstly, the car is so vintage. Secondly, they have this and it's a black car. Usually what happens is it's not a very girly video. Even if all girls are there, it's still colorful but still not girly, because firstly the car, it's a very vintage looking car. Okay, and wait, where is the visual of that car? See, not typically a car that you would see in videos. Generally when a girl drives a car, it's a very flashy sort of a car. This is a dude car. You know what I mean to say? So, and third, that's one. The second one is when they stop that big van and they point the gun and said that get out. It's sort of in action movies you see this when the dacoits come and they harass this one driver and they take over the vehicle. That you see usually men doing it. Third, when they were singing that chorus in the alley. Wait, I'll show you that visual. Here. See, it's such a dingy alleyway. Not again, which generally the K-pop videos that I've seen. This is not usually the kind of thing, the kind of background that the girl K-pop groups use. So this is again a very guy thing, or dingy kind of alley where they would be like bad boys. So they are like bad girls. And then, oh my god, there is a garage. There is a garage. So usually if you see these visuals, these are the visuals where you would probably most of the time find it in a guy video, not a girl video. Very rarely you would find it. You would still find it, but very rarely. There are limited number of videos that you would find where these kind of visuals are there, the rough visuals. But the girls or the girl group, whoever a female gender person, is singing or dancing in front of such visuals in a music video. That's what I love, and it goes with the vibe of the song. Not shy. I just want it all. I'm gonna say what I feel like. I'm not shy. I loved it. I absolutely loved it. Their costumes, the third point. Loved their costumes. They are colorful and yet they're very edgy. They are not, even if these are girls' costumes, they are still having an edge to it. You know what I mean? It's not very nice girly costume. I loved it. Oh my god. Look, this short hair girl. Amazing. Look at her costume. It's too good. It's too good. I love this song. I love this song. Oh my god. See? A garage, auto supply. See what I mean? Whew. It's absolutely brilliant. And I like the little cowboy kind of theme that they had with wanted posters. Superb! Superb! I give this a 10 on 10. I loved it. I would definitely want to react to more of ITZY's songs. Please let me know what the fandom is, and whoever comes across this video, please suggest me more of their songs. I would be very, very, very interested. And this one, so I'm going to watch like 100 times now. No question. No question. So yes, that was me reacting to ITZY Not Shy for the first time ever. I am so happy to get to know this group. I'm super, super happy to get to know more of their songs. So yes guys, that was it from me today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are a K-pop lover, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on my next video guys. Bye bye.